Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Now I am using black color sketch pen and scale for this design. This is Sanskrit cover page design. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. If you want any type of cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Draw the line like this. Same repeat here. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this word with yellow color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this space with light blue color brush pen. If you want, you can use color pen or sketch pen. Draw the two lines like this. Same repeat here. Draw like this. Draw the small lines in middle of these lines. Draw the line like this. Same repeat here. Attempt like this. Here I am drawing two lines. Draw like this. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill like this. Here I am drawing small flower. Draw the petals like this. This is water drop shape. Here I am drawing one more flower. Draw like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the two lines like this. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this space with red color brush pen. Now I am using red color pencil. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Here I am using dark green color brush pen. Fill this leaf shape with dark green color brush pen. Shade like this. Now I am using green color highlighter. Fill this middle space with green color highlighter. Here I am using black color sketch pen. This is golden color brush pen. Put a dots like this. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this line with red color brush pen. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. Now I am using yellow color pencil. If you want, you can use crayon or oil pastel. Fill like this. Now I am using light blue color pencil. I am shading with light blue color pencil. Shade like this.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and
Here I am
subscribing.
drawing 3 lines for main
Thank you so
subject.
much.